Hello! In this video, we'll create a simple whiteboard with a WebSocket. The whiteboard is just an empty screen to draw lines. Let's get it started. Let's create a site. Let's add an SVG with a path element. To use a WebSocket, we need to create a WebSocket object. In the constructor parameter, we set the URL of the WebSocket server. We will create this server a little bit later. To get data from the server, we need to subscribe to the message events. To send data, use the send method. To draw a line, we press the left mouse button at the start of a line and release at the end. So we need a mouse down event to remember the start of the line and the mouse up event to get the end of the line. In the mouse up event handler, we create a string from a template. In this string, letter M stands for move and letter L stands for line. We send this short string to the server with the WebSocket send method, and the server will transmit this string to all the clients. Now we need the server. We'll use the WS and Node.js WebSocket library. In a separate folder, install WS library and create index.js file. Create a new WebSocket object. Subscribe to connection and message events. Each time a new client is connected, we remember the connection and send the user the big picture. As the user sends a new line, we add this line to the big picture and transmit the picture to all the connections. To start the server, open the folder and type node index.js. Let's check it out. Open the site in two browsers. Draw a line in a browser, then a line in another. The whiteboard image is shared. Thank you for watching to the end. Subscribe to our channel and you'll find more JS videos.